Do you reckon I can stop it with my hand? What a friggin' joke. Did you see my last video when I reviewed this cheap $28 Black & Decker grinder? And I thought to myself, Pete, you haven't bloody got a cordless grinder. I've got about 10 normal grinders, big ones, small ones, fat ones, skinny ones, but I never had a bloody cordless grinder. So this old cheapo thing worked out alright, so why not buy another Black & Decker? So I got on the interweb, had a look on Amazon, and holy moly, man, they want $140 for a Black & Decker cordless angle grinder, and it doesn't even have a bloody battery with it. I'm gonna have to seriously think about this. You guys know that I'm not cheap in any way whatsoever, but so reluctantly I paid my $140 and it just turned up. So this better be awesome for $140 bloody dollars. What do we get? Don't spill your beer, Pete. So we've got the distractions. We've got a little fart-ass handle grip. We've got one of those spanner things that I always keep losing. We've got some discs in this one. Maybe 2 or 3 discs. Maybe 1 disc. I don't know, we'll have a look at that later. And we got the bloody machine itself. Ooh, it's quite heavy, guys. Actually, it is quite heavy. It's supposed to be soft start and everything. $140 though without a battery. What do you reckon? Lucky it uses the same battery for the Black & Decker drill, so at least I didn't have to buy the bloody batteries, but $140. Must be some friggin' good angle grinder. Let's put the sucker together. So we'll put the handle on. How many discs did we actually get? Don't you love getting new tools? I do. But $140, man. I've seen these cordless angle grinders online, you know, the non-brand name ones. Well, Black & Decker isn't really a good brand name either, but for about $80, so we shall have to see what we shall see. And what did we get? 1 measly friggin' grinding disc. I thought at least we might get a cutting disc as well. That's disappointing. Now before we start, let's go and get a fully charged battery. Because after all, Pete's just got to be fair about these things. Yep, he looks fully charged. Alrighty-ody, coyotes. Actually, there's quite a weight in this little grinder. How does that go in there like that? See, we're 18 volt on the machine, 18 volt lithium on the battery. So, we should be ready, steady, go. Will it even... Oh, it is heavy, guys. I'll give it that. It is bloody heavy. Right, how do we switch this on? Oh, yeah, soft start. It's actually got a locking thing there that you have to turn it on and then pull the trigger so you can't keep the thing running, which has got to be a bonus. This is crazy shit that I do. You need a trigger as soon as you let it go with the fucking thing stop. I mean, the friggin' thing stops. Hear that? You listen. You can hear it go tilt and then starts. I think that's the soft start. So did you see the crowbar test I did with that $28 corded grinder? We're going to try and do the same with this one. We're going to see if we can cut through this crowbar using the grinding disc like I did on the other test. we'll see if this thing actually works or not. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And I know, before you start putting in the comments you're using the wrong disc, Pete, I know that. This is the disc we're supposed to be using, but I did the test on the other grinder using this disc. So we're going to do the same. Are you kidding me or what? No way. Come on, you're friggin' joking me. Must be something wrong. That is really disgusting. Gotta be the battery. Let's change it out for another one. There's no way that can be right. Come on. Are you kidding me or what? I don't believe this. Now this works in my drill for about 10 days straight. Don't know what the story is with that. There's something not right with that. Right, I've changed it out to a normal cutting blade. We'll see if this friggin' works. This is really disappointing, guys. Yeah, what the fuck? Wow. Holy crap. It just keeps friggin' stopping. As soon as you put any pressure on it, it just stops. It's not run out of power. Might have to send the bloody thing back. Oh, I'd hate to try and grind something proper with it. My God, it's friggin' terrible. Put in the comments below, do you think it's my bloody batteries? I mean, I don't know. This is crap, man. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this battery on charge for 3 hours and then we'll have another go. You can't tell me that thing's only got that much power. That's just total bullshit, man. So I made sure this bloody battery was 100% charged. Can't tell me this thing's that bad. Right, let's have another bloody go, see if it works this time. You know what? I gotta say, that's pretty well sucky, mate. This would be the worst friggin' angle grinder I've ever used in my life. I reckon I could stop it with my friggin' hand. And that's with a fully charged battery. Bloody believable. Do you reckon I can stop it with my hand? Look at that. What a friggin' joke. Oh, look, now it won't even start. I think it overloaded it. Let's wait a minute, see if we can get it started again. Turn it off, turn it back on. Nope. This has got to be a joke, right? Maybe if I take the battery out of it, it'll go. Are you kidding me or what? I reckon I've hit the bloody thermal overload doing that to it. Unbelievable. Anyway, would I recommend this thing for $140? You've got to be friggin' joking. This $29 thing will eat that every day of the week. Maybe it's just because my battery's getting old and decrepit like me. Put in the comments below what you reckon, but I reckon this thing is totally disgusting. $140, stick it up your bum. Anyway, I'm going to go and have a few more of these and contemplate what a waste of money this was. And we'll see you next time, mate. Before I go, I want to thank John, Mark and Harold. I think you're all in the USA. You all bought me a coffee/beer, which is all awesome. Helps keep the channel going. And we'll see you next time, eh, guys? Oh, if you want to buy me a beer, I'll put a link in the description below. Don't buy one of these things. They're a piece of crap. Wonder if it's cooled down yet. Friggin' thing overheated. Absolutely unbelievable. Crap. If you're still watching me, you might want to get your tools featured on my channel. It's real easy. Just contact me at pete@petestools.com. And if you feel like buying Pete some giggle juice, check the link in the description below. And maybe I'll mention you on my next video. See you next time.